Hey guys, welcome to the newest episode of Tech Reviews, and in this video we will be reviewing the DJI Osmo Pocket and the Osmo Pocket expansion kit. So let's get started. So here we have the Osmo Pocket and the expansion kit from DJI. Spoiler alert, I actually already opened the box and I tried to package it up very nicely to make it look like I didn't open it. Anyways, the Osmo Pocket will cost you as low as 12,000 in a typical Amazon or Flipkart sale, while the expansion kit will cost you around 2400 to 2600. The price doesn't fluctuates a lot, so let's keep this aside for now. So coming to the DJI Osmo Pocket, it also has a Pocket 2 variant, but that is not a complete replacement, I would say. Considering the current price point in 2021 and its features, Osmo Pocket can be considered as a great vlogging camera. So let's open the box. Until then, you can like the video and subscribe to the channel. Here are some paperworks to get started and how to use the product. Guess who reads that? And here we have the Osmo Pocket packed in a hard case. So basically it has a gimbal camera which is super compact, and this is something that I can actually keep in my pocket. In fact, great name. We also have other accessories like a C-type charging cable and connector for both Android and iOS devices. So the device comes in a protective hard covering, which is very handy. The device itself is very small and it can fit in your palm easily. This also has some intelligent features which we are very used to with DJI products like active track, face track, panorama, time lapses, motion lapses and HDR photos. It is not actually that heavy, but it feels substantial, so it doesn't feel like you are not holding anything. It is probably because of the battery, so with 1 hour of charge you can reach easily up to 90% of battery level. Let's put a tempered glass on it before we use it for the first time. So here I have connected the USB-C type connector to set up the device for the first use. And as you can see, it barely takes 3 to 4 seconds to boot up. I already had the DJI Mimo app installed, so it automatically launches. So from here I will be fast forwarding to skip the process. It is actually very cool to see how you can control the gimbal's camera in any axis from your phone's screen, which actually helps a lot while taking cinematic shots. And the best part is you don't have to worry about the footage, as the camera will stabilize everything with smooth movement. So here I have inserted the memory card. Each time we switch it on, the camera calibrates itself by doing a little dance. So it has 3 shooting modes: follow mode, tilt lock mode and FPV mode, all serving different purposes. You can shoot for 2 hours on 4K and about 140 minutes if you are shooting in 1080p. So let's quickly unbox our expansion kit too. So as usual, opening the box, we find some manuals, and here we have 3 things. Here we have a GoPro mount. For now I don't have anything to mount it on. And this is a 32 gigs of memory card. This is the controller wheel, and here we have the wireless module. All of them are useful in their own way, so let's review each of them one by one. Starting with the mount, it is actually very helpful for connecting with tripod and selfie sticks. But actually for that I need another connector that I don't have now, so I don't have anything to connect it with. Moving on to the controller wheel, you will be able to see some buttons and a control axis wheel. The main purpose of the axis wheel is to change the direction of camera in X and Y directions. The axis wheel is actually very helpful in taking cinematic shots and smooth footages. The controller wheel changes everything. You simply cannot go back using the pocket without using it. But one major drawback is you cannot use it together with the mount because it won't fit the mount while we are using it. And finally, coming to the wireless module, it makes things way easier. You can control everything from a distance from the tip of your phone. Starting from the shooting mode till the movement of the gimbal's axis, everything can be controlled wirelessly. Hope you liked this video, and for more interesting tech reviews like this and interesting unboxing videos, subscribe to the channel, like the video, don't forget to press the bell icon, and I will see you in the next one.